We're so glad you've joined us in giving nature a helping hand. Our Cozy Insect Hotel isn't just a lovely addition to your garden or balcony, it's a small but meaningful way to invite more life in. By creating a cozy space for bugs and bees to nest and reproduce, you're helping nature to stay in balance and enjoying the buzz of life at the same time. Let's take a closer look at our Cozy Insect Hotel. The Insect Hotel is made up of a beautifully crafted exterior house, a matching interior house, and we have several organic fillings: bamboo, pine cones, and wood chips. The Insect Hotel has 3 unique sides, all attracting different exciting species of insects into your garden. The bamboo is thoughtfully designed for its purpose and developed in close collaboration with the best experts in Europe, ensuring it's the best product for bugs and bees. Made entirely from 100% recycled plastic and built to last a lifetime. Just click the exterior into place and your Insect Hotel is all set to welcome its new residents. The back of the Insect Hotel can then simply be mounted onto a wall using a screw or to a tree using the straps. And now, to help the insects feel right at home, follow these easy steps. The best time to set up your insect hotel is in early spring, just as the insects begin to emerge from hibernation. Your insect hotel requires no cleaning. Just replace the bamboo after a few seasons to keep it in top shape. For the best results, position your hotel facing east or southeast to catch the morning sun while staying sheltered from wind and rain. If you have multiple insect hotels, place them close together to encourage more activity and greater species diversity. Give your insect hotel some breathing room. Place it at least 3 meters away from bird feeders, preferably even a little more. A simple step that will make a big impact. Enjoy the buzz of nature.